Welcome guys. Today we will be unboxing the LG 55-inch Ultra HD 4K display. This is a smart TV model 55UM69. Now I'm going to take it out of the box. Alright, now I have the box open. So now I'm gonna lift the TV out. Please be gentle when lifting the television. This TV weighs between 20 to 25 pounds. Alright, I'm just resting it on the ground. Let's check the rest of the box to see what else comes with it. Alright, so I'm checking. There's some other protective. Oh, here we have the remote. But where's the manual? Should come with a manual. Oh, here is it. So here we have the television stand. We have the manual. We have the power cable. We have the remote, but did not come with a HDMI connection. So now let us turn the TV on, but let's first look at some other features. As you can see, it's two person here handling the television. It's very weighty and it's also delicate. So let us take a look at the different connectors on the television. Okay, let's get a closer look. So this television comes with one Ethernet port, 5 RCA port, 1 coaxial port, 3 HDMI port, and 2 USB port. So now I just plugged a USB in there. Okay, so now we're gonna connect the foot. Yeah, I'm gonna use the foot stand because I don't have a wall mount. For those persons who choose to use a wall mount, please use one that is strong enough that can hold between 43-inch to about 80-inch, because this is a very weighty television and it's also delicate. Alright, so we both now gonna attach the foot stand. So each foot stand comes with 2 screws to hold it in place. Alright, so it's taking some time. So once you insert the clip, yeah, you then add the screws. Alright, just taking a bit time because we want to ensure that it's screwed properly. Okay, it's about finished. Alright, so it's power on time. Alright, so let's lift the television off the ground now. gently putting it on the ground. Well, please see with me because I don't have a broad enough stand or a broad enough table to rest this TV on. So I'm just using the ground for now as it's safer for me. Alright, so we're now gonna plug it in to the power. Yeah, we're plugging it now. Alright, putting the batteries in the remote, so it's magic now on. Okay, so it's all what we have been waiting for. Please ignore the back lid. I know my background light is a bit poor. So now we have the television on. As you see, no signal, so no connector, no internet, nothing is on there. So we're going into the LG content store now. So here you can see Prime Video, YouTube, internet, image, song file, no internet access. Now let's connect an Ethernet cable so we can get this internet running. Yeah, we're connecting it. Yeah, I know we're moving a bit slow, but we have to be gentle on this. Yeah, this television costs about $400, but at the time when we bought it on Black Friday, so it was a bit cheaper. So now we have internet, and now we're going to YouTube. Okay, so here we are on YouTube. Just checking the internet access, checking out the apps. Okay, so we're just checking out everything, the quality and so forth. Alright, so here's the remote. Yeah, about a television like this, you need to get one of those remote that has a mouse capability or keyboard capability. Makes it much easier for you to navigate. Yeah, I'm just checking out the antenna option. You guys can connect an antenna on it. Yeah. So now let's go to the internet now. Let's checking out some things. Yeah, Google. So currently, as you can see, the pointer on the television, I'm actually using the keyboard that I discussed about earlier. So this remote can assist you with navigating faster when you're on the internet, to move like you're using a computer mouse or a computer keyboard. I'll also leave a link below where you guys can have access to it, and you can also get it on Amazon as it worth every penny. So here, take a look at it here. Yeah, it works very well. So if you guys ever purchase this remote, just let me know and tell me what you think about it. Okay, so we're just checking out some other LG televisions that you guys can purchase. And the best place to go is Walmart, because that's where I actually got this one. Okay, some others that are very good. Some are more expensive than this one, but this one quality is extremely good. It's just my camera system is a bit poor, but with the beer highs, it's amazing. Best $350 I ever spent. What, going forward, I will be using this television, watching Netflix, playing games. That's what I'll be doing mostly. Wish I had a better backlight though, so you guys could see the true quality of this TV, because it's so amazing. But what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna create another video where I'm going to go more in depth with this television, showing off the different features, Wi-Fi access, guidance, and I'll also be connecting my Roku Fire Stick, just testing all the features that are available on this television, so you guys can know. HDMI, as you can see, I'm clicking on now. Screen, very sensitive. Yeah, I'm so happy about this TV. But I will definitely have to get a wall mount this on the wall. I don't have a stand that is broad enough to hold this TV. This TV belongs on the wall. Alright, so you can check out my next video where I'll go more in depth with the features and all the specs of this TV. Thank you guys for watching.